Welcome to your Heart Center Align with Source Manifestation Workshop. So in this video training, you're going to learn to amplify your frequency, your love frequency through your auric field to be more magnetic and more attracting, but also aligned with Source. And then I'm going to walk you through a soft, guided meditation for you to begin using your inner senses to visualize and emit emotions within you that match the outcomes that you desire. This is something that you can come to every single day and begin creating as your workshop, as your creation station, because we create from the inside out. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Dana. I'm a spiritual energy healer and psychic, and I bring you videos to help you align with source energy and consciously manifest with the higher soul part of you, your higher self. Now, before we dive into this video training, I really appreciate if you'd like this video and hit the subscribe button to help support me on my journey here. So in order to activate a frequency that's very attractive and abundant and aligned with source, what I'd like you to do is begin to think of somebody or something that you truly love. This could be a person, a family member, a lover, a pet, anybody that brings out that feeling and emotion of love within you. Now, I want you to bring that person to mind right now and begin imagining it and feeling your love for them. Or if they're around, begin staring at them and feeling your love for them. Now, once you're feeling that love within you, I want you to give this love a color. It can be any color, white, purple, pink, blue, and allow that color to spread throughout your whole body so that your whole body is colored in the light of this love. Now, I want you to see how far you can extend this light of love. And when you extend this light of love, all plants, people, and animals will be uplifted by this frequency as well. Okay? So take a moment to think of somebody or something that generates love within you. Allow that love to fill your whole body and expand it out in your awareness. Can you expand this color and this love into the room that you're in? Can you expand this color and love into the whole building that you're in? Uplifting all people, pets, plants, and animals. Okay? Now really feel it in your heart and extend it as far as you can go into the city that you're in, into the country that you're in. You can picture your country's flag in order to amplify this energy out into your country. And then you can extend it globally. You can picture a globe in your mind and wrapping the globe in this love light energy that you've created. So first and foremost, beginning this process, you really want to get into a love frequency. This is your connection with source right here. This is your compassion. This is an energy and frequency that is very attractive and abundant. So now going forward, what I'd like you to do is sit comfortably. I'm going to play a soft melody in the background and walk you through a creational workshop within your mind. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to ask that you sit comfortably. And so if you're sitting, make sure your feet are planted firmly on the ground. Or if you're sitting cross-legged, make sure the base of your spine is hitting the floor or whatever's beneath you. Really make sure that you're grounding within your body. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to do a full cycle breath. Make sure you breathe deeply and rhythmically throughout this process. To help you, a full cycle breath is breathing in through your nose, allowing that belly to expand, okay? Allowing your chest to expand. And then when you're ready to exhale, exhale through the mouth and let your body return back to its normal position. So again, breathing in through the nose, expanding the belly, expanding the chest, and then exhale, let everything go and let your body return back to its normal state. Now, what you can also do is every time that you breathe in, I want you to picture that you're pulling energy up from your groin, from your root chakra, up your channel, up your chakra channel, up into your brain. Hold for a moment, and then when you exhale, allow and release it. Do this 3 to 5 times before beginning to really center yourself. Now we're going to do that now, and we're going to tune in, and then I'm going to walk you through some questions while we do this breathing, while we relax our body, and while we begin to use our inner senses. Breathe in with me now. Allow your belly to expand. And exhale. And let it all go. 3 more times. Now gently close your eyes if you've not already done so. Feel the sensation in your body. Continue breathing rhythmically and deeply. Remember that love, light frequency in your body, and bring that person to mind now. Fill your entire body with this feeling. And fill your entire body with this love light energy, allowing to amplify and magnetize your frequency. What are you grateful for in your life? What do you appreciate about your life? What are you so very thankful for? I want you to think of all those things right now and begin to say, thank you, God. Thank you, Source Energy. Thank you, Universe. Make sure you're rhythmically breathing, allowing your body to expand and contract. What is your soul calling you to? What has your soul been nudging you about? What do you desire? And what does that desire feel like in your body? Who is the version of you that has this outcome, that lives this reality? What does this version of you look like? What does this version of you dress like? What does this version of you feel like in your body? What surrounds you? Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you with? What are the sensations you are feeling in your body? Remember to breathe. Expand your body. Let all the air out. Let all the tension out. Use your imagination. What are you doing as this future version of you? Your higher self is with you now, guiding you through this process, giving you symbolic emotions, imagery, or feelings toward your calling. This desired outcome in reality How does it help other people? Envision this now. Not only how it impacts you, but how it impacts the people and the world around you. Don't worry if at first it's hard to visualize. Focus on your feeling. You don't want to be too attached to the outcome, because your higher self will guide you through the way that is best for all parties involved, the highest good of all. So just breathe. What is your intention? Why do you seek this outcome? What will it do for you and the people that you love? Now really begin to imagine places that you want to be, doing things that you want to do, and feel that energy emit from your body. Make sure to breathe. Knowing that every time you come to this workshop internally and you visualize and you feel these outcomes with love and appreciation in your heart, you want to send this vision, send this energy to your higher self, knowing that in the upcoming days, you'll be inspired to take action. And follow this inspired call as much as you can. No matter how small the detail of the inspiration or how large of this inspiration that washes over you, make note of it if you can't act on it in the moment. And the next time you're connected to this high, loving vibration, revisit this energy and take that inspired action. So how are you feeling? I'd love for you to let me know and share that with me. And thank you for tuning in and being here. If you'd like to dive into practices like this deeper with me, I invite you to join me in Spirit Ascension, where you can learn 4 essential stages to ascending with your higher self, the God soul part of you, to manifest your soul's desires. Maybe you'd like to connect with me one-on-one in an energy reading or energy healing session. Make sure to visit the Ascension Portal through the link below and see what options call out to you. Never hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video so you don't miss out on future trainings and episodes and meditations that help you align with Source and consciously manifest with your higher self. Much love and light.